Okay, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be drawing Drownviper from Godzilla's Kong New Empire, and let's get into this. So with the 6B pencil, we're going to start Drownviper's head. So it's going to be like up to the middle left, like right about right here. So I'm going to make it like, it's going to come down, and it's gonna like, so like that thing at the bottom of his mouth is gonna go like there, and I'm gonna make it like this. And so I'm gonna have it kind of like that. That was my mouth. So, and we're going to it's like this. So, I'm gonna make it like that. I'm gonna make these things. Okay, don't click off because this is gonna look so weird at first, but it won't. Don't click off. It will look weird right now, but it won't, so don't click off, because it's like, don't click off. He has these like really sharp teeth right there. And have these lines. So yeah, don't click off, because I'm gonna make it look better. So I'm just gonna be like, I don't want him to look like he's smiling. So wait, I need to fix that. So I'm gonna make it coming down right here. And so now I'm gonna have so like this looks like it's smiling, but it won't. So yeah, so more like that. Yeah, it won't look so derpy. It's more like that, but it still looks too derpy. But it won't, so I'm gonna make, this is gonna be kind of quick little drawing. I'm gonna have to hurry up, because it's like, yeah, I kinda have to. So I'm gonna make that going up, and it's gonna be like this thing sticking out. So it's gonna be kind of like that. Okay, I don't know why, but it just looks kind of weird. I don't know what. I don't know what it is. Oh, his tongue is really skinny too. Right now it just looks like a face, so I'm gonna try to fix it. I don't want these to be like So, I don't know. So, yeah, it's gonna be like that right now. And I'm gonna have these like sharp things sticking out. No, it's too fat. It's too fat to be sharp. And so then like you have like more of them, but they're gonna be like, so like he's curving around, so it's gonna be like this. And so like he's gonna be like around here. It's gonna go, it's gonna like continue to, so I'm gonna make it come like that. And so yeah, be like a bit more like that. So yeah, I'm gonna make this coming down. I don't know why I switched to green background, because maybe because my channel wasn't doing that good, because my videos always used to get like 130 in like 2 hours, but I just don't anymore. I don't know why. But they still get the same amount of views, but in the first 24 hours my videos used to do better. So these are gonna get much more out until they're like on the body. And you have to make we have to do the back now, so I'm gonna make it coming like down over here. Okay, I'm gonna skip that part, and it's gonna go like that. It's gonna go, no, it's gonna, of course it's not gonna go like that. What are you doing? So it's gonna go like, it's gonna go like this, and it's gonna yeah, I tried to make a video. I was going to make a video of this, but for some strange reason, when I undid the recording, and then it's like it just deleted it without me doing anything. I don't know what happened. It just like deleted it. I don't know what happened there, but it just like deleted it for some strange reason. I still don't know what happened. That was like 25 minutes ago. So yeah, I have no clue what happened there. It just deleted it. That picture actually looks kind of good to me. Just deleted it. Oh my. So whatever. So now I'm gonna draw this. Yeah, so it's just gonna be like kind of wrapping around him like that. So, if you want to, you can like kind of extend it a bit over there. So, yeah, it's kind of just like that. That's really how I'm drawing it. Kind of looks, yeah, whatever. So, don't worry. We don't have to worry about that. So, I'm gonna continue these 6B pencil. And yeah, so they're just gonna curve around. And just gonna like come out. Until, yeah, so just like like disappear. And you can just draw a line for the last one. Okay, I need to zoom out. There, so that's basically the full picture of, so yeah, it's gonna be like that, and they're gonna come right here. No, what am I doing? And so yeah, they're just it's gonna be like a flow back there. And so yeah. And so add like these green or yellow things. Okay, I haven't zoomed out all the way. So, yeah, we've done almost everything. So now I'm gonna add a line right there. And this is where, like, remember these, like, yellow things he had? I'm gonna do that. So, you're just gonna be like that. I'm going to add a line right there, and more. So, yeah, just gonna be like that. Yeah, so this was a bit of a more detailed video. Yeah, it's not the easiest drawing. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Yeah, this is the scene where he first showed up in front of Colin. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you